Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Docusign for contracts or agreements, you know how important it is to add custom fields. Today, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to add a text box in Docusign, a full 2025 guide that's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add and customize text boxes like a pro, saving yourself tons of time on future documents. Let's get started. Log into Docusign. First, head over to the Docusign website and log in with your account credentials. You'll land on your Docusign homepage where all your templates and documents are stored. Select or create a template for the fastest workflow. It's easiest to start with an existing template. Click on Templates in the top menu and pick the template you want to use. If you don't have one yet, you can upload a new document and save it as a template for later. Fill in the basic details. Next, add the required fields like the recipient's name, email address, and any other details Docusign asks for. Once those are filled out, click the Next button to move into the editing screen. Add the text box. Now you're in the Field Options toolbar, which is usually on the left side of the screen. Look for the text field. It's typically represented by a capital letter T or a small lined paper icon. Click on it, then drag and drop the text box directly onto the document where you want it to appear. Customize your text box. Here's where you make it yours. Resize the box by dragging the edges and preset formatting such as font style, size, or color. You can also add default text if you want to give the signer a hint or instructions. This is perfect for adding notes, comments, or additional details right inside the document. Final check and send. Before you send the document for signatures, take a quick look to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and formatted. Once you're satisfied, click Send, and your recipients will see the text box exactly where you placed it. And that's it. Adding a text box in Docusign really is that simple. Whether you're updating contracts, adding instructions, or leaving space for extra details, this quick method keeps your workflow smooth and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.